We're here to check out houses. You know, looking into buying a house.
How weird is that?
Do you like this house more?
I'm in love with this kitchen.
You like the kitchen?
There's so much counter space for baking.
Yeah. I know you like baking. There's a lot of space in here.
There's so much space.
Yeah. There's so much space. I like it. I can definitely help you cook in this.
Right? The floor is
I like
nice.
this. I like the space. I honestly like the space. I think.
It feels more open than the other ones, I think,
Yeah,
too.
oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, I'm tired. This is beautiful. I like it. Let's go check out houses.
Yeah. It's pretty.
I like the living room area too. It's beautiful. And there's like a really nice kind of view. You can see me coming from work.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, I like it.
And a balcony.
Was that? Yeah, there's a balcony. Oh, sweet.
Nice. It's just little, but like for a barbecue.
Yeah, that's okay.
Very nice.
Very nice indeed.
Okay.
Ooh. Is it
You
big?
could have that part of the closet.
What do you mean?
I'll take the
A
rest
small-
of it.
A small part? I like this bedroom.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh. This is nice with shelves.
Oh yeah. That's nice. I like the washroom too. Wow.
No door.
Wow.
No door on that one either. There's going to be.
What's that?
This is cute.
It is cute. I like this one. The closet, is it big?
Yeah.
It's kind of big,
Look
yeah.
how high the ceilings are too.
Wow. The ceilings are high, right?
Yeah.
Can't touch the ceiling. In our house, I touch the ceiling.
Right?
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. This is how I like a house decorated, though, because there's not a lot of stuff.
I like it too.
It's just really,
There's enough,
it's neat.
but yeah.
I like this.
Style's really cool.
We like this one.
Heck yeah.
Okay. Wow. This is actually cool. I have never thought of this.
Having stuff along the steps.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty.
Oh my God. This is.
Oh, freak.
Wow. I think we might end up buying one on this side. Is it the same Pro? Oh, yeah.
It's a little weird, but that's okay. No, I don't think this is first time.
This is not first time thing?
No. But these are the people who are making the homes.
Okay. I like the living room area too. There's a thing over there. Let's go check out upstairs. Excited?
How can you not be?
Oh. You okay?
Yeah, I'm just gonna fall down the stairs. I'm good.
Oh. Beautiful, huh?
Science.
Wow, look at what they did with the wall too.
Right? So cool.
These people are up. They're in business, huh? Wow. Yeah, they're in business.
Love the bear.
Yeah.
Pretty.
You would have a full, your cabinets would go right up to the ceiling, 42-inch.
Okay. And then this is the pantry instead of.
Yep.
Okay.
Your stove would have a gas line to it, as would your balcony.
Okay.
And actually, the balcony you would get would be bigger
Okay.
than this one.
Okay.
Additionally, out this window, these windows actually would be park facing,
Okay.
which is why it's quite a bit more.
Right. Yeah.
And for the window out here, from the living room, rather than looking out into another building, you actually look out instead to the green space in between buildings.
Okay.
So view-wise, it's one of the best ones you can get.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you'd also have a gas line out there and a bigger balcony.
Let's check it out.
Yeah. This was your smaller balcony, so might as well take a look. But